There is nothing better than cooking a quick dessert on a campfire. But if you're tired of burnt marshmallows and messy s'mores, then stick around because we got the perfect recipe that you and your kids are going to love. Hey guys, Matt from Dude's Camping here with a fun campfire cooking dessert recipe. Today, it's campfire baked cinnamon brown sugar apples. We're also going to try adding some of your favorite candy to see how it tastes. This is also a first for us, so we're going to see how this turns out. Before we get into the recipe, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe and the bell for notifications, share it with your friends. If you guys learned something from these recipes, please leave a comment below. Tell us if there's something that we're doing wrong or something that we should be doing right. What you're going to need for this recipe: some Granny Smith apples, a stick of butter, some brown sugar and some cinnamon, and some non-stick foil. This recipe is easy to do, it's not rocket science, so it's going to be fun for you and your kids when you're camping. So let's get started. The first step is to core the apple, but you're going to want to leave one side intact. The best way to do this is use a knife to cut down the stem side. And then use a spoon to kind of scoop it out. You basically make a little cup, a little hole in there, enough space to get some butter and your favorite flavors in there. Take the butter and you're going to want to just cut it into small little chunks. As long as the butter is still cold enough to be cut, you won't have a problem on this end. Take the butter, put it in the bag, and you end up with some buttery cinnamon sugar chunks. Put them in the apple. Whatever you do, don't lose your chunks of butter. Once your apple is filled up, put some foil around it and roll it up. Voila! For this one, we're going to try your favorite candy, Butterfinger. Take the Butterfinger, crunch it up, smash it as much as you can. Take your butter, cut it into pieces again. Roll your butter up inside the Butterfinger now. And put it in the apple. And there you have it. Your apples are ready to put on the fire. You can stick them right on the coals if you want to, but they're going to cook a lot faster. So what we suggest doing is putting them on top of the grill. If you have some coals and you want to use that, just kind of move the hotter coals to the side and stick these right next to the fire. We're going to do it right on the grill. We're going to let these cook for maybe about an hour, and we're going to check on them. They're far enough away from the fire that they should just kind of cook slowly. So we'll be back in an hour. Our apples are done. They've been cooking on the fire for about an hour, a little over an hour. We set them on there. And it's dark out now, so we're going to do our best to see just exactly how they turned out, which one tastes better. Here's the cinnamon sugar one. This one is really soft. This is the Butterfinger one. Well, let's wait to see what it tastes like. Apple cinnamon. Yeah, that's so good. That tastes like the apple cinnamon that you would get in a can or something, but fresh, tastes warm. Man, this is amazing. The Butterfinger apple kind of looks like baby poop. Yeah, kind of tastes like it. I mean, you can taste Butterfinger, but it's not bad. But I'd definitely go with the cinnamon sugar one. That one is way better. This one, Butterfinger tastes better crunchy, and this is kind of mushy and anyway, Well, guys, let us know what you thought. Was this a good recipe? Have you done this before? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and we will see you guys on the trail.